Hi student, today let me start ancient civilization of India. Ancient means old. Archaeological started survey about of the ancient civilization of India. They see some huts and houses in some places. They have excavated a cellar in Brozon in Kashmir. People of those times they used to dig shallow pits. Shallow means a large hole on the ground. They shallow pit in the soil and live in them. Then there are steps leading to the pits. They were built a very methodical manner houses. Then he was used to these houses provide a protection from the cold weather and the wild animals. He was also well known to their earthen pots and he was utilized to their outside and inside of the pits. In accordance to the weather condition, he was used to their pots to cook either inside or outside of the pits. We noticed that in the ancient civilization of India, Mehragarh is the first village. Mehragarh is the first village. Mehragarh, it is near the fertile plain of Bolan Passes in Iran. The people of Mehragarh well known to their cultivation and he was cultivated a barley and wheat and also known to the rearing of goat and sheep. This is the first village, that is a Mehragarh. The people of Mehragarh lived in their houses and in their houses we will see 4 or more rooms. Many sites have been discovered here which not only have the fossil of animals but also a graves. People and animals used to be buried together here. And let me understand the first urbanization in ancient civilization of India. Urban means city or a town. In the ancient urban city is a Harappa. It is discovered by the engineers when the railway lines were being laid 150 years ago in the Sindhu Valley region of Punjab. They thought that it was a mound made of excellent bricks. They utilized the bricks for the construction. The engineer was used that bricks in the construction of. In this way, many houses which had been buried under the soil were destroyed. We already know the meaning of destroy means ನಾಶ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಾಶ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. And archaeologists took up research in this area. They were convinced that it was an ancient city. Which is the ancient city? Harappa. Since the site around the city resembled the sites discovered earlier, then they were called the Harappan civilization. Then the Harappan city is called a Harappan civilization. This city are said to be 4,600 years old. Of the cities, we can see 2 or more parts in the cities of Harappa. The western part and the eastern part. The western part is called a narrow and it is a elevated place. And the archaeological way that this was a citadella. Narrow western part, the city was situated, that is a citadella. The eastern part is the wide and lower level. This area is called a lower town. And every part of the wall made a burnt bricks. Since the bricks around them were placed in an interlocking manner, the walls were very strong. Then now note to the significance of the cities. 2 parts are there in Harappa. One is first is the western and another one is the eastern. Western is called a narrow and the eastern is called a lower level. And western place is called a citadella. There were noteworthy buildings inside the citadella. And Mohenjo-daro is the one of the city and a water tank. Scholars have called this tank bath tank. It is built of a brick so as to prevent the seepage of water from the tank. The bath tank has steps on either side to go down and has rooms also around. The water was probably supplied to the tank by a well, and the used water was a let out. Probably very important people used to take bath in this pool on special occasion. Fire ultras have been discovered in other cities like Kalibang and Lothal. Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Lothal had constructed systematic granaries. Thank you, student. I hope you have understood this lesson. Stay home, stay safe.